Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with the Windows 11 quick settings not working properly. So if you're opening up Windows Explorer and you don't have access to the quick settings panel, this tutorial should hopefully be able to resolve the problem without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in group policy. Best match will come back with edit group policy. Go ahead and open that up. And now underneath user configuration, so let me just make this a little bit wider here. You want to double click on the administrative templates folder and then do the same thing for the start menu and taskbar folder. And now on the right side, while having the start menu and taskbar selected, you want to locate something on the right side that says remove notifications and action center. So let's go ahead and locate that. So I'm just going to click on a random entry in here. I'm just going to start typing remove notifications. So it's pretty much near the bottom of the list here. So if you scroll all the way down, it's right up at the top of the bottom of the list, if that makes sense. So you scroll all the way down and then it should be up near the top listing here. Well, obviously depending on how big your window is, but you can see it says remove notification and action center. Go ahead and double click on it and you want to set it to not configured. So if it's either enabled or disabled, go ahead and just set that to not configured. And then you would select apply and OK to save that. And you would need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. But before we do that, we're going to do one more action, and that's going to be running the system file checker utility on our computer to check for any corrupt files that we may have. So open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, go ahead and type in SFC followed by space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go. So hopefully that was able to resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.